Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of our camping series. Right now we are making paneer parcels, a vegetarian dish made out of cottage cheese, that is paneer. It's a basic paneer masala wrapped in rotis or tortillas and then fried in the pan. So let's get to the recipe.
So for the masala, I'm using 250 grams of paneer. For that, I'll chop up 2 onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm using 2 green chilies for spice and 3 garlic cloves. So let's get started.
And for the dough, the tortilla or the roti dough, I have 1.5 cup of wheat flour and 1 cup of maida, that is refined flour. I'll add in half a cup of water, plain water. A teaspoon of salt and about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now once these ingredients are added up, just mix the dough till it forms a round ball. So the dough is ready. I'll just form it into a ball and keep it aside till our masala is ready. So for the masala, I'll switch on the gas. Let the pan heat up a bit. Once the pan's heated up, I'll add in about 4 tablespoons of oil. Add in the garlic. And the onions.
So now as the onion is getting translucent, I'll add in the tomatoes. And saute it for another 2-3 minutes.
So now our onions, tomatoes and garlic has cooked up and have become soft. Now Chef Elvis will add in some spices and dry herbs.
So I'll add in 1 teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder for some heat, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Cook it up nicely, let the masala cook, and then we'll add in the rest.
Add in about a teaspoon of salt.
And some chopped green chilies.
So now our masala is all cooked up. Now is the time to add the paneer. Just simply crumble the paneer. I'm taking 250 grams.
So now I'll just roughly chop up a handful of coriander.
So once the bhurji is about to get ready, I'll add in the chopped coriander and mix it up. So that's the filling for our paneer parcels. So the bhurji is ready. Now for the parcels, I have the dough. Chef Elvis will roll it out and I'll fill it up.
So now I'll make some small roundels and I'll start rolling it.
So now our tortillas are ready. We just place it over our chopping board. add in about 1.5 spoonfuls of our paneer masala. Spread it in the center. Be generous with the masala. And fold it and make it in a parcel shape. Are ready. I'll switch on the flame. I'll add in some oil. Spread the oil evenly in the entire pan. So now the oil is heated up. Now we'll add in the parcels one by one. And fry it on medium flame for about 2 minutes on each side. So there you have it, our vegetarian paneer parcels. I'll cut it into 4 pieces and serve it.